rifle right there.
Okay.
Hey guys, welcome. Thank you for joining me on this one. Today I'm all by myself. I'm going to be traveling over to Vermont, Pownell to be exact, North Pownell. We're going to be checking out a cemetery, Indian Massacre Road, along with a couple barns that are left on the side of the road there. And a couple miles up the street, we're going to be checking out another abandoned property, actually 3. So join me on my ride, enjoy the scenic views, and follow along. Okay guys, I'm lost. There's a cornfield and I'm at a dead end. I'm in Pownell, Vermont, so I don't get any fucking signal, dude. I'm getting pissed, bro. I can't find this fucking road. I found a couple more abandoned houses though right down the road here. Alright guys, I'm trying to get somewhere where there's signal, but there's nowhere in this damn freaking state that has signal. A bunch of abandoned little, like, cabins. Okay. Oh, and guys, I'm using my new stabilization on the camera. I just figured out how to use it. So I can turn the camera left and right or whatever. It'll stay straight. I want to see if you can enter one of these bad boys. Nope, they screwed him shut. Wow. Might as well take a walk here, check them out. Look at this thing on cinder blocks. Wow. Holy crap. These places are old, man. I don't think I can get into any of these. Okay guys, I pulled up to an abandoned motel again, but this one's cool because look at all these old cars they have, and they've been here for a long time. I got a lot to show you guys here. $3,000 reward. I just spotted a truck over here. Oh, damn. Yo. All this shit's like abandoned here. Dude, motel full of abandoned vehicles. Let's go back to check these out because I think I see a caddy right there. Oh, yeah. There's a couple more over here I want to check out. What the heck is that? Whoa. Wow. That's really cool. And the keys are in it. Come on, let's go. And we got this little car. Jeez, that's just the body. That must be the engine. flat car. This thing's low. Oh damn, look at that. That's an older one. Oh, that's a coupe. That's a Benz coupe. Yo, that thing's fire. We got a VW Beetle and a VW van right next to each other, both orange. That's a race car. Soft top. There's another VW. Some nice little couch in there and shit. Another VW. Okay guys, found another abandoned property here. We got a bus, a few cars here, Mustang. Oh, it's really bright now. It was just really dark out. Bus full of stuff. Man, what's up with all the torn up vehicles I'm finding today? These things are in rough shape. Look, it has new air hose on there. Damn, that was like a drag racer car. Look at that. Oh hell yeah. Drag car. Found an abandoned drag car. 2 of them. Oh, that is crazy. Get them in frame. Dude, I never seen one of these up close. Let me know in the comments if you guys seen one of these up close. What does the inside look like? The lighter the better. Big hole in the floor. That thing's crazy. Look at the tires on the front. They're so thin. Wow. Look at this little thing. Would you guys do that? Would you drag race? I probably would try. That's some crazy cool stuff, man. I think this is just a scrap yard for the drag racers. There's one hiding under a tarp here. It looks like a Charger or something. Challenger maybe. Sun got to it. We got a bus back there. Look at this car. Oh man. Heck yeah, bro. There's like appliances, there's refrigerators, tires, and like lawn mowers everywhere. Yeah, that's a nice truck. That's another Mustang. Dang, that's an old Mustang. What do you guys say? 67? You guys know your stuff. Please let me know and let everyone else know in the comments. That's crazy. That's the oldest El Camino I've ever seen. Nice. Turbo jet. Oh, that's cool. That is cool. It's like a car truck, guys. Abandoned. Yeah, I think they used a race in here, dude. Look at this. Look, I found a big abandoned warehouse. Heck yeah, bro. No one drives through here. Oh, we're gonna find a lot of stuff over here. Look, there's TV casings, plungers, piles of trash. This whole thing is leaning. What the heck? That's kind of scary. Let me try to show you how far it's leaning. That whole flap is like falling. Oh, wow. Okay, there better be some cool stuff in here. Oh, there's graffiti, so people been in here. Like kids' toys. Gas cans for all the little RC cars they used to race. Wow. Let's go in this room, guys. Holy crap. There's 2 other areas. Let's go through. Oh, they boarded it? Yeah. This thing's about to come down. I see an old Cadillac inside, I think. Oh, there's cars in there. Guys, there's a Cadillac limo in there. Dude! What the heck? This is a mobster's car? Look at all this jewelry. What the hell did I just find? Holy crap, there's cars all in here. Yo! What did I just find, man? These things haven't been touched in a long time. The exhaust pipes. Wow, these things are just sitting here. There's another room over there. Look at this caddy limo. That thing's long as hell. I've never been in a limo. I might hop in, man. I might have to see. Oh shit, guys. I'm inside of a Cadillac limo. Ugh, stinks in here. It smells like mouse piss. I don't know if you could repurpose these, but bunch of cup holders, bunch of electronics over there. I want to see the front door. Oh, that has alcohol in it. That's a wine thing, an alcohol thing. Oh, what'd I find? An old jar. Who knows what was in there? Come on. It's really locked. That one's open. It's just looking at them, I guess. The old wood grain. Wow. How do you open this? I never opened one of these before. That's a cool handle. Ew. It doesn't open. Let's try to get in the driver's side over here. Yeah, it's open. Inside the Cadillac limo, dude. Look, smoking cigarettes. Yeah, It smells in here, guys. Pretty fancy, though. Okay, I hear stuff. I'm out of here, y'all. Have a good day. Peace.